Hello, my name is Tommy and this tutorial is on how to create Lego type. Now we're going to bring in a cube with its topology is about 12, or it depends on, you know, the shape you like, the edge you like. I wanted mine rounded, so I did mine like this. And also we're going to insert a cylinder. Okay, with this topology 2. And I tried to experiment with materials here, so again it depends on whatever style you're going for. But I'm just inserting the cylinder into the cube, and I'm going to actually make an instance of this or clone this anyone. Right, you can use the wireframe to see that everything is aligned properly. I'm just going to join it together, right, and then duplicate. Again, you can use instance, which is actually better. Okay, and then I'm going to group everything so that it's easy to move and easy to just edit. Or you can join, but just in case I want to make any more changes, it's actually much more easier for me to just group it. So this is one box. Now, what if you want to create something that's longer than this? There are two ways. You could make 2 copies of this, right, to form one and use that as a measurement for the longer Lego box. Right, I'm just using the pivot tool to move the gizmo up so that just the down parts would increase in length. And yeah, now there's actually a much easier option. It's the gizmo tool and just put 2 on the axis that controls the length of the box. That was probably a bit fast because I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. But what I just did there was make an instance again and move it down. Yeah, I'm just using the wireframe there to make sure everything is aligned properly. And yeah, you can see. So make sure grouping is so underrated because it makes organizing much more easier rather. And yeah, so I'm going to show you what the instance does. When you make an instance, right, which is what I'm doing here, you see that when I give it a different color, everything that made there is an instance of that component. I don't know if it's called components here, but in UI here it would be a component. Would be that same color. So you can make an instance from even this copy that you're making from the main objects, and if you put any color, it's going to affect all the other copies. So this is such a wonderful thing because you don't have to paint each individually. Okay, so you want to use a reference, you just go to background, click on reference image, and then import whatever photo you want to put inside so you can have an idea of what you're doing. Right, I used Game Over, which I created in Procreate. It was not the best reference anyways because I barely even used it. And yeah, for the background I just brought in a cube and reduced the width, and I'm going to make a Lego background. I think I got Legos, right? But yeah, I'm going to make the background, just cloning that, not instance this time, removing it out of the group so it's separated, and I'm going to use the array to add in more. Okay, the reason I'm not starting from the top is because when I save this picture, everything's not going to show. So just to reduce the amount of load on my iPad, just going to put in the important place. And for this one, because I used the grid for this Game Over, so I could just even put 0.5 for size X, right, and it would still be very accurate. because I want it to seem like all my words are inside, on top of this, I don't know what they're called, these cylinders anyways. So they are fixed on cylinders. So that's why one of the reasons why I used the grid for my game over. So it's the measurement is very accurate. But anyways, yeah. You can put on the y-axis and then it's going to give you a lot like that. And I thought this was interesting. I saw something similar on Pinterest, right? And I thought this was quite interesting to do. Now you can pick any cylinder from this array. Just select any cylinder and then click on paint, and whatever color you give to it, it's going to affect your, the other cylinders, right? So I just picked yellow because I don't want so much colors. But yeah, this was fun to do. Thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye.